These are called artificers. They prey on land-based insects and other small animals by shooting them down with water droplets, and they are very accurate in their shooting. This was going to be 18-minute long fireworks show, but due to some technical problems, all the fireworks ignite and explode at once. People waited more than 3 hours for the 18-minute long show, but the show took only 15 seconds to end.
This is insane.
This is how our favorite cartoons were made. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Goodbye and take care.